I'm not sure what has happened here with my sweet tea. Looks a little dead. I'm just gonna come around. My Jamaican Scotch bonnet is still looking okay. I think my pepper got down there. I'm not sure what's going on. I saw some milk bugs up in here. I'm not sure what's going on with that either. But that's my herb pot. Water that a lot. Got some more stuff over here. My little friend right there. I hope he's feasting good on the bugs and not the vegetation. But if he is feasting on the vegetation, that's okay. He's always out here. Look at him. Oh, why is he not able to stay on the thing? Okay. And also, look at him just steady falling. Because when I say I am wrapped up, I am suited and booted. Baby, it is. Look at the wild tomatoes that are growing out here. I think I'm about to pick these. It's a mess out here. I really got to figure out a way to clean this up because this is just ridiculous. Scared to even put my hand down there. Okay, I'm gonna go get my cutters. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm about to see what I can get from out of this monstrosity. Alrighty, here's what we have from the wild thornberries. Saw some stink bugs over there, but hopefully I can clear this out so it won't look like a nasty mess because this is kind of messy. Talk about a workout. And I also want to say these tomatoes are so pretty. These are the wild tomatoes. I haven't been constantly watering them. I haven't put any fertilizer on them. I haven't done anything. And just look how beautiful and shiny they are. Like, these are completely beautiful. I think what I'm gonna do is make a salsa. And yeah,